Hi everyone, this time I'm in the capital of Poland and I'm going to show you a room in the InterContinental hotel. I marked the hotel with a tag. It is the skyscraper next to the Palace of Culture and Science in the center of this footage. In fact, the InterContinental in Warsaw is the third tallest hotel in Europe. As a 5-star luxury hotel, it has lots of amenities, but this video focuses on the room. I had a room above the standard category, I believe it is called Deluxe room, and it's really spacious. In front of me you can spot the entrance to the bathroom, while the main part of the room with the bed is on the right side. In the entrance area with the corridor, there's plenty of space for your belongings. Let's have a look at the bathroom first. It comes with a fantastic view over Warsaw, and you're going to see it in a moment. It is noteworthy that you have a shower as well as a bathtub. So you can already see that everything here is in a good state. It's clean, just as one would expect from a 5-star hotel, right? I would like to point out that I have been to places, for instance in North America, where hotel ratings and expensive room rates did not translate into clean and comfortable rooms at all. Of course, I can only speak for myself, but I perceived Poland and other countries in Eastern Europe for that matter as rather cost-efficient travel destinations. Hotel room rates were reasonable, while the quality that I got was good. In fact, this room here cost less than €250 per night. If you compare that with other capitals in Europe, that's certainly on the lower end. Alright, and now you get to see the probably most impressive thing about this hotel room. We look towards the Palace of Culture and Science. While it's an iconic structure, inspired by the Empire State Building in New York City, it is also seen as a symbol of Soviet rule, which is why there are proposals to demolish it. The minibar, by the way, was empty because of the corona pandemic, but they might have changed that in the meantime. Anyway, I guess the main takeaway from this video is that this is a really comfortable hotel room, and it's well worth the money. You don't feel cramped in there, you have all the necessary items, and I couldn't get enough of this wonderful view. The TV screen is kind of small though, but as I'm not an avid television viewer, it wasn't so important to me. So to conclude this video, let me ask you whether you have already been to Poland and how you liked it there. Please feel free to share your travel experiences in the comment section below. Alright, that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed this room tour video and maybe it even helps you with your own booking. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day wherever you're watching.